Hey y'all, welcome to I Got It Out the Soil. And right when I'm recording, my tripod is about to fall. Anyway, my tomatoes pushing out another harvest. I guess it's getting ready to do its last little push because his node is about to go into fall. So a lot of these tomatoes are pretty red. I was supposed to harvest probably about 3 to 2 days ago, but I waited to do the video because I was doing other videos, because you know how we on YouTube sometimes we bulk do all videos at once, right? So that's why on some of the videos I have the same outfit on. I'm batch filming, so just to let y'all know I'm not wearing the same clothes every day. But anyway, I'm coming out here really quick to harvest some of my tomatoes, and you know how I do it. Let me give you a little close-up on the tomato trees. So all this red, as you can see, look at all that red, girl. Oh, beaming with tomatoes, you heard? Beaming. I got a little damage right here. We might as well take that off and whoop, throw that to the wolves. Look at that. Look at that, baby. You know how we do. You know how we do, honey. I know y'all see it. I know you see them. They got a little honeybee. Look at the honeybee, baby. Yes. Oh, God. This tomato tree just full. It's acting a plum food. Yes, it is. All the way down here, I know you see that. Look, honeybee. Look at melon. Okay, the melon's dropping. They trying to push something out. I'm gonna let them stay, do what they do, because they not gonna make it anyway. So there's a close up of that. All the tomatoes. Ooh, bunch of them. They pushing it out. They ain't playing with me today. Look at Marigold, baby. Marigold in this thing for real. She ain't playing with you neither. Look how tall these marigolds is, y'all. Look how tall they is. Ain't grew. Oh, they a monster, but they ain't grew no flowers. Somebody let me know if marigolds supposed to grow that tall. I don't know. Them must be the super duper marigolds or something. But that's a close up on that. I picked some off of here. So it's really none left red because I did that the other day. And I was like, come on now, go on film it. Stop doing that to the people. Come on, go on film this. So I be trying to film just about everything, but sometimes I be just wanting to get stuff done, y'all. I'm sorry. I be wanting to get stuff done. I ain't gonna even hold you, okay? So let me position this thing so I can get to picking these. Got my handy dandy shift make basket because never fails. You know how it go over here on I Got It Out the Soil. We stay with the noise, baby. They stay hating on your girl. We gonna wait. I got to say I look good today with the hat. And I'm disappearing on y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Look. Disappearing. I stay disappearing in more ways than once, okay? If y'all want to check out how I am rapidly losing weight, I lost 12 pounds, and I think I might be plateauing at this point. I lost 12 pounds. Check out my video, what I eat on my 14-day fruit fast, which I am extending out till the end of September. So that's September the 30th will be my last day of the fruit fast. If I look a little greasy, that's because I just got done filming my updated what I eat in a day on my 14-day fruit fast. Check that video out. It's gonna go up after this one. Get started on harvesting my tomatoes, and I already showed y'all a close-up of that. Let's get to it. Look at these beautiful tomatoes, y'all. This is from my sweetie. This is sweetie right here. I done messed around, took the whole branch off with this one. It'll be alright. So from that one tree, look how many I got, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see that. Yeah, I think that's decent. Can y'all see? Can you see? Get a closer look. Yeah. Let's get back to it. Showing you my harvest. I got a really big harvest this time, y'all. Y'all see that? I know. Look at that. Big harvest, not the little. Okay, this big tomato harvest, not the little. Okay, not the little. They little. You got the sweeties and the cherries, but it's not the little. Okay, big harvest. Big harvest. Running a mug about to drop all the tomatoes. You heard? Acting out. Acting out. Big harvest. Yeah. Big harvest, not the little. So I'm gonna save some space on this and I'm gonna cut it short. But that is my harvest. Just in case I don't get back, I would like to thank you for watching the video. I really do hope y'all are enjoying the content that I am putting out. Make sure you get those likes up, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so every time I drop, you will be notified. Share with your friends and family if you feeling the content. Don't hide the content from your friends and family, because I'm here to, if I can, give motivation to educate. Because hey, look, we all need to have a garden in our backyard. And until next time, peace. I see you in my next video.